Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Body Fit and Health Cure. Today, I'm going to be talking about a magical recipe which helps you to reduce weight and improve your gut health quickly and effectively. In this video, I will show you some magical products from your house kitchen, which have magical benefits you do not know. Before we dive into today's exciting content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the share icon to spread the knowledge, and ring that bell so you never miss a notification when we release new content. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to embark on this journey with you. Let's learn, explore, and have some fun together. Now, let's jump into today's topic. For making this magical powder, we only need the following ingredients. 1. Nigella seeds 25 grams. Nigella seeds can help boost metabolism by increasing thermogenesis and promoting fat burning. They may also reduce appetite by increasing levels of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a role in regulating mood and appetite, and improve insulin sensitivity, which can help the body regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. 2. Cumin seeds 50 grams. Cumin seeds can help boost metabolism by increasing thermogenesis and stimulating the breakdown of stored fat. They may also promote satiety by increasing the production of bile, which helps break down fats in the digestive system, and improve gut health by reducing inflammation and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. 3. Fennel seeds 50 grams. Fennel seeds can help boost metabolism by increasing thermogenesis and promoting fat burning. They may also help suppress appetite by increasing levels of the satiety hormone cholecystokin, CCK, and reduce water retention by having diuretic properties. 4. Carom seeds 50 grams. Carom seeds can help improve digestion by promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes and increasing the movement of food through the digestive tract. They may also enhance fat metabolism by increasing the activity of enzymes involved in fat burning, and reduce cravings by regulating blood sugar levels. 5. Jaggery 5 to 10 grams. Jaggery can replace refined sugar, which is often added to processed foods and sugary drinks that contribute to weight gain. It can also support healthy digestion by being a good source of prebiotics, which are food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and boost metabolism by containing minerals like zinc and magnesium, which play a role in regulating metabolism and energy production. Incorporating fennel seeds, carom seeds, nigella seeds, cumin seeds, and jaggery into your diet can support your weight loss journey by boosting metabolism, reducing appetite, improving digestion, and promoting overall gut health. Now the most important question is how to use these ingredients. Take all the products in the same quantity as mentioned above except jaggery and roast all the products in a pan on a medium flame. Then wait for cooling down the ingredients, then put all the ingredients in blender and make a fine powder. Your magical fine powder is now ready to use. Now the question is how to use this mixture. Use 1 teaspoon of this mixture along with 5 to 10 grams of jaggery twice a day after breakfast and dinner. Tips for weight loss and gut health. In addition to using these ingredients, there are a few other things you can do to promote weight loss and gut health. Eat a healthy diet that is low in processed foods and high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Get regular exercise. Get enough sleep. Manage stress. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.